This is a 12.75 inch long oval serving platter made by Royal Crown Derby. We know exactly when it was made as well, which is 1954, and the pattern is Blue Aves. Beautifully decorated with oriental birds, vine decoration, irregular scalloped rim with gilt around it. Let's have a look at the condition of this one. Look at that glaze condition, really fine this one. No sign of any crazing or cracking at all in the glaze over the plate surface. Good gilt retention all the way around the rim. Quite a flat serving platter, as you can see if we transfer it to its rear. Again, this one's in absolutely fine mint as new condition. Very clean base plate. Elevated oval base plate rim here with a Royal Crown Derby green Ormston Road factory marks XVII 1954. This particular one was made, and it's in absolutely superb condition. They make a very similar size platter today still. Royal Crown Derby do make Blue Aves still on special order, and it would cost new around 504 GDP sterling, pounds sterling. So this one offers an excellent value for money option for anybody collecting Blue Aves or wanting a fine piece of top quality Royal Crown Derby English porcelain china. We've got a variety of different size platters coming through in Blue Aves, two absolutely spectacular lidded serving vegetable tureens and some flat plates, dinner plates and side plates coming through as well. Some of them have got some condition notes on them in terms of the glaze, but this one is absolutely as mint. And we'll pop a link in the description below, which will take you through to the website listings on Vintage and Antiques, where we're currently working our way through the box of Royal Crown Derby Blue Aves. So if you're looking for a particular piece, replacement market, or as a collector, do have a browse through the website. We've got some lovely stock coming online over the next couple of days. Thanks for watching.